Welcome back to our special series where we featuring some of India's most admired brands. Our next story is about Asian Heart Institute, a powerhouse brand in the healthcare sector. Let's take a look.
Asian Heart Institute is one of the leading heart care hospitals in India. It was set up in 2002 with an aim to provide world-class cardiac care to patients. In just 15 years, the hospital has treated more than 3 lakh patients and has completed over 37,000 angiographies and more than 21,000 high-risk heart surgeries, with 3,500 almost inoperable cases. Asian Heart Institute has a success rate of 99.83% in bypass surgeries and an overall 99.60% in cardiac surgeries. These success rates are among the highest in the world. Asian Heart Institute is equipped with 12 ultra-modern operation theatres, 100 intensive care units, fully equipped modernized pathology services, imaging services like CT scans and MRIs, blood banks, and cardiac ambulance services. The cardiac team at Asian Heart Institute is led by cardiac surgeon Dr. Ramakant Panda, who also happens to be the Padma Bhushan recipient. Besides being recognized for pioneering many techniques in cardiac surgery, Dr. Panda is also known for successfully operating high-risk cardiac cases that are universally regarded as inoperable.
Asian Heart Institute is widely known as one of India's most admired brands. How was the journey to the top?
I think it has been an incredible journey over the last 15 years since we started this hospital, and over last especially 5 to 6 years we have been rated among the top 5 heart hospitals, and more so last 5 years we have been rated #1 heart hospital in many of the surveys. So it has been an incredible journey, and it has been all because of my teamwork and the team that has contributed to it.
Asian Heart Institute is known to provide one of the best cardiac care treatments in India. So what kind of technology, facility and patient care is your hospital providing?
I believe that more than technology is the people that contribute the maximum to patient care and the results. But however, we also have the latest equipments as well as latest IT infrastructure. The entire hospital is paperless, and we have the latest equipment in terms of the cath lab, whether it is CT scan, MRI, the operation theatre, the heart lung machine, or ICU monitors and other equipments. We have the latest and most advanced equipments that is available anywhere in the best hospital in the world.
Asian Heart Institute has a high success rate in cardiac care. So what are the key factors which made this success and this achievement possible?
Our cardiac surgery results of 99.6% and bypass surgery results of 99.8% is among the best in the world. I think this is possible, and also the same way all other areas, there is angiography, angioplasty, critical patient coming to the hospital. Our infection rate are among the lowest in the world and among the best in the world. You can compare anywhere, definitely way ahead of any hospital in this country. It is largely possible again on a very strong teamwork, but equally important is adherence to a very strict system, process and protocols. Every single treatment is very well defined. Every single doctors, nurse, paramedical staff is extremely well trained, and they are very strictly monitored. And on every monthly basis, we do a closed door meeting where every single patient complication results are analyzed. What other things went wrong is identified and corrective measures taken. I think this is the key to a success rate among the best results. Again, is a very strong team approach, very strong system process, protocol approach, and intensive training and monitoring. These are the 4 things that has resulted in the best results, among the best results in the world.
From the political leaders to the entertainment industry to the corporate sector, Asian Heart Institute is considered an important part of the Indian medical diaspora. How do you see this success?
I think it's largely because of the highest level of care and the results we give. Today our results are among the best top 3 in the world, definitely the best in the country. That has definitely brought in a lot of confidence. Same time, I must be thankful to all my high and mighty patients who have that much faith in getting treated in India, that to getting treated at Asian Heart Institute. If you look at it 25-30 years back, almost everybody from India used to go outside India to get a heart care done. Today, almost everybody, nobody wants to go outside, because here in India we are able to give the best results in the world. I think that is what is the reason why all these patients have chosen Asian Heart as the destination for cardiac care rather than going outside the country. It is the best quality care and the highest results that we are offering.
Asian Heart Institute is known for a surgery which is done on a beating heart. So how is it different or less complicated or less riskier than the conventional way?
While doing the surgery, you do not stop the heart. You just temporarily immobilize a very small part of the heart on which you do the surgery. It is called beating heart surgery. It is one of the Asian Heart is one of the pioneering centers in the world in beating heart surgery. In fact, our beating heart surgery results are the best in the world. We have the highest number of experience in that. What you do is you only immobilize a very small portion of the heart, and rest of the heart continues to function and supply blood to the body, and that only small portion, which is just around 1 inch by probably 0.7 inch, is immobilized, and you cut the artery and do the bypass.
Tell us about your brand strategy and what is the USP of Asian Heart Institute?
We very strongly believe in giving the best care, best result to the patient, so that the patients are our biggest brand ambassador and a marketing agent in the country. In addition to that, whatever little we spend on marketing and branding strategies, more towards bringing social awareness and bringing healthy habits of the population, so that the incidence and the risk of heart disease is reduced in the country. We are the first. When the Mumbai Marathon started 15 years back, we are the first medical partner, and we are still then continuing giving a message to the society that leading a very healthy and active lifestyle reduces the incidence of heart disease. Similarly, we have a lot of other social, in the social space, we do a lot of awareness campaign. Currently, we are going certain campaign which the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra recently inaugurated, and we focus more on that, how to bringing awareness about heart disease, reduce the incidence of heart disease, living a lifestyle, rather than spending more money and trying to attract patient, tell the patient to come and get treated us. We strongly believe that our patients, a happy and very satisfied patient is the biggest brand ambassador, and we have got almost 320,000, more than that, in the country who talk good about us, and today almost 80% of our patients who come to the hospital are referred by one of our earlier patients.
What is the vision of the brand going forward 5 years from now?
Our vision is over next 5 years for the world to know that India is the place to go for cardiac care treatment, and Asian Heart is the place in India to go for cardiac care.
That's all from us today. Hope you enjoyed these stories. We continue to bring you such inspiring stories on some of India's most admired brands. Thanks for watching.